rectangle and to form it into a straight line. Okay. Oh, use blue here. Okay. What do you call this line again? Say straight. Say again, follow me. Straight.
Papa, straight, Mama.
Wow, straight. Wow, straight line.
Straight, Mama.
Wow, you finished that, huh?
No.
Here, oh. Zap. You finished zap. Okay. I want you to trace the dots to form a straight line. You don't like that, Maxi? Pull that, huh? Straight. To make it straight. Okay? Oh, dili na pink. You're gonna use the pencil to trace the dots. Okay? You hold the pencil tightly and then you go down. Okay, very good. More. Go down. Yay! More pa. More straight line. You trace the dots. Okay, here another.